Bell rolls is the reporter thrown into the secretive world of the Forex Super Model, where nothing is as it seems. Beware the techno monk, and steer clear of Professor Code and his two assistants. Give the senior trader a wide berth, and don't expect any sense from the risk manager.
Good morning and hello, this is the Forex Super Model Forex review, potential dollar CAD bounce order for the 19th of the 10th, Wednesday the 19th of the 10th 2022. At the moment the dollar CAD looks to be in play. If you look at the 10-minute chart, you can see that it's got this, if I can draw it, it's got this pump up in the dollar CAD due to the dollar strength. We've got critical data coming out in about an hour, which is Bank of Canada Tier 1 CPI, Consumer Price Index, expected to be a little bit soft. Now the market's positioned pretty toppy. And if you're going to have a go at this, you'd want to. The vulnerability in this dollar CAD is to the downside. In other words, strong CAD data. So maybe a sell order is of the order of the day, with about a 7-point gap in your sell order. So but you need to make sure it's not executed before the time. We're a bit rushed this morning. I've had some dreadful problems this morning. I've had to go down the A&E with my mother. She's all right, but it's taken us away from the sort of the focus of what we're doing. And we're not, to be honest, we're not fully up to speed, and we may even sit it out. But for your purposes, this looks like the setup. They've pumped the dollar CAD up quite a few points ahead of the data, and they're going to be very twitchy and spike if this Bank of Canada CPI comes in stronger than expected, so greater. There's going to be a big run for the exit. All that 10-minute green chart is going to suddenly sell off. So we're in a bit of a mess here. The exact time we wanted to do all the analysis, I've been driving around the area and sorting people out. So, but that's no excuse. It's just to let you know that what's happening really. It's not an auspicious start to coming back to forex trading either. But anyway, as far as we're concerned, there's a potential bounce to the short side, the sell side in the dollar CAD, as they pumped the hell out of it this morning, and if they're expecting soft CAD data, and if they get reasonably strong CAD data, you may well find you get a downward spike. So that's the best we can do at the moment, and we may be able to sort this out a bit better for Friday, as we've got CAD retail sales tier 1, which is the significant data. So we'll be able to box it in. But that's where we are. August CAD data was poor. September CAD data was poor, and October so far their CAD data has been relatively weak. So if it comes in stronger than expected for any reason, then you're going to get this massive spike, relatively massive spike down to the downside. So anyway, we're going to have to just take a deep breath and have a watch. But it'd be interesting, if you fancy a go, just put your sell order about 7 points below the market, as near as you can to the data point, the data time half one in our GMT, and make sure it doesn't get activated before the data. Otherwise you could be looking at the wrong way. and you may have to reset the order a couple of times just to get it in quite nice. And if the data is doesn't give you a downward spike, just chop it out. Anyway, that's the best we can do for you. Sorry it's been so messy, but we will improve. So thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and goodbye.